Hey, Garry. So we've been talking, and I really want to know, what is this thing EMI? What is this?
Okay, that's a good question. So EMI stands for Electromagnetic Interference, and every device that uses electricity, to boot up and operate, which is almost everything these days, emits an EMI emission or power fingerprint. So EMI basically refers to the interference caused by electromagnetic waves, basically energy waves. So EMI occurs when electromagnetic fields generated by devices next to one another affect the performance of other devices close to it or nearby to it. So the problem with EMI is that this can lead to various issues such as signal distortion, data loss, or even the malfunctioning of the equipment. So if you think about it, if you're operating in a mission critical network, say within healthcare, for example, right, the need to understand the effects of EMI and the impact of that business is very important for many reasons, because it affects the reliability and the security of the operation of the network and the devices running. And furthermore, because of the cost of software-defined radios have come down substantially from thousands of dollars to almost hundreds of dollars.
Sure.
Now, software-defined radios are really allowing EMI attacks to be pretty prolific, and they're significantly now on the increase. You've got attacks such as power hammer that is used to exfiltrate data through the power lines. You have attacks like XLED, which uses the LEDs on your routers, your network switches to exfiltrate data. You also have EMI attacks such as air jumper, which can be used to compromise the CCTVs over the EMI, exfiltration capabilities and so forth. So there's many attacks associated with EMI now, and again at LOCH, right? We're in this business of measuring this EMI power fingerprints from these devices, because we need to be able to detect any tampered hardware or counterfeit products that may in fact validate the supply chain source. So we are on the lookout for tampered hardware, counterfeit products as they're coming through the supply chain, as well as these layer 0 and EMI attacks.